What if the strongest response isn't words, but the absence of them? No text, no call, no closure, just silence. That's when panic sits in for her. When she pulled away, left you on read, or walked out, she wasn't seeking an ending. She was testing control. She wanted to see if she could break you, if you'd beg her to put you back together. That's not love. It's a power play. Most men fail by giving her exactly what she craves: their pride, their emotions, their dignity. But not you. This time, you didn't crumble. You didn't chase. You didn't plead for someone who knew your worth but pretended not to. Instead, you went quiet, and that silence became your rebellion. It created a void where her certainty used to be. Did he stop caring? Did he move on? Why isn't he reacting like the others? The storm isn't in you anymore. It's in her. Because silence isn't empty. It's heavy with answers. When you say nothing, she's forced to sit with the consequences of her games. No distractions, no drama, just the truth she can no longer avoid. This is where dark stoicism takes over. It's not about being cold. It's about control. You stop bleeding for someone who handed you the knife. You stop justifying yourself to someone who thrives on your chaos. You become untouchable, not because you don't feel, but because you refuse to be led by emotion. She might return. She might test the waters, checking if you're still hooked. But your silence must be louder than your desire. Your discipline must speak louder than your pain. That's the moment you transform, from heartbroken to unshakable. This isn't revenge. It's refusing to let anyone watch you unravel for them. And when you choose that kind of silence, trust me, they hear it louder than any words. If you're ready to master your mind and let silence speak for you, drop a comment below. My silence speaks louder than pain. 1. Silence is the loudest answer. She anticipated drama, tears, pleading texts, desperate calls begging for another chance. This is the familiar dance. She withdraws, you chase. Your reaction becomes her validation, your pain her power source. But when you respond with absolute silence, the entire dynamic shatters. Silence isn't weakness, it's strategic warfare. By refusing to engage, you demonstrate that your emotions aren't hers to manipulate. You reveal that her attempts to provoke a reaction are beneath you. This quiet defiance forces her to confront uncomfortable questions. Why isn't he fighting for me? Has he moved on? Did I miscalculate? The psychological impact is devastating. Where she expected control, she finds only uncertainty. The silence becomes a mirror reflecting her own games back at her. Without your emotional responses to feed on, her sense of power crumbles. She's left analyzing every interaction, questioning her value, and most importantly, realizing she no longer holds the reins. This is emotional mastery in its purest form. You're not suppressing your feelings. You're choosing not to perform them for her benefit. The disciplined man understands that true strength lies in selective engagement. Some battles aren't worth fighting, and some people don't deserve your energy. When you embrace this silent strength, something remarkable happens. The tables turn completely. She who sought to control becomes the one controlled by her own spiraling thoughts. Your silence becomes the ultimate teacher, demonstrating that respect isn't demanded. It's commanded through unshakable self-possession. 2. She wanted to break you, not lose you. Understand this critical distinction. Her goal was never to lose you, only to test how much she could break you. This wasn't about love. It was about dominance. Every withdrawal, every cold shoulder, every test was carefully designed to measure her control over your emotions. She operated from a simple playbook: Create distance and observe your response. Would you chase? Would you compromise your dignity to keep her? Your predictable reactions became her emotional currency, proof that she could bend you without breaking you completely. But when you refused to play, when you met her withdrawal with quiet indifference, that's when the paradigm shifted violently. Your silence delivered a brutal truth. She didn't break you. She lost you. The realization hits like a physical blow. She overplayed her hand and now faces the consequences. This is where dark Stoicism reveals its power, not through anger or retaliation, but through absolute emotional withdrawal. You become an enigma she can no longer decipher. The man who once wore his heart on his sleeve now offers only impassive silence. The psychological impact is profound. She's forced to confront the reality that her manipulation tactics have expired. Where there was once predictable drama, there's now only unsettling quiet. This silence becomes her punishment, not because you designed it as such, but because it's the natural consequence of her actions. True power lies in this understanding. When someone shows you they're comfortable losing you, believe them. Then make that loss absolute. Not with fanfare, but with the quiet finality of a door closing forever. 3. Attention is her currency. Starve her. Every reaction you give, whether anger, sadness, or pleading, is emotional currency deposited into her account. She's not seeking connection. She's trading in validation. The more you invest, the richer she becomes in her sense of control. Her tactics are calculated. Vague social media posts, delayed responses, sudden changes in behavior. These aren't accidents. They're fishing lines cast to reel in your attention. Each time you bite, her power grows. Your emotional responses become the fuel for her ego's endless hunger. But when you go silent, when you stop feeding the beast, that's when the starvation begins. With no emotional supply coming from you, she's forced to confront an uncomfortable truth. Her value was never intrinsic. It was only what you were willing to pay. Silence is the ultimate power move in this dynamic. It's not about playing hard to get. It's about becoming genuinely unavailable for disrespect. You're not ignoring her. You're redefining the terms of engagement entirely. The transformation in her behavior will be telling. Where there was once confident manipulation, there will now be uncertainty. The person who thrived on your attention now faces its absence. And in that void, she'll either evolve or reveal her true nature. This is the crucible where real masculine strength is forged, not in the heat of arguments, but in the icy discipline of withholding attention from those who don't deserve it. Your silence teaches the hardest lesson. Access to you is a privilege, not a right. 4. You were the prize. She forgot. Somewhere along the way, the narrative got twisted. She convinced you that you were lucky to have her, that her attention was a gift to be earned. But the truth was always the opposite. You were the prize, not because of what you gave her, but because of what you represented. Your peace, your purpose, your unshakable masculine core. These were the real treasures she took for granted. In your generosity, you made the fatal error. You made yourself too available, too understandable, too safe. Familiarity bred not contempt, but indifference. Now comes the reckoning. By withdrawing your presence, not dramatically, but definitively, you force a recalibration of value. She's confronted with the absence of what she once had. The stability you provided, the certainty you embodied, the peace you carried. This isn't about playing games. It's about the fundamental law of human psychology. We only appreciate what we risk losing. Your quiet exit demonstrates that you understand your worth isn't negotiable. The man who knows his value doesn't announce it. He simply acts accordingly. Let her sit with that absence. Let her marinate in the silence where your presence used to be. In that space, she'll either remember what she lost or confirm she never deserved it in the first place. Either way, you win. 5. She feeds on your pain. Starve her ego. Every tear you shed, every desperate plea you made, these were meals for her ego. Your visible pain was her validation, proof that she mattered enough to hurt you. This is the cruel mathematics of toxic dynamics. Your suffering equals her significance. But when you cut off that supply, when you meet her attempts to provoke with stone-faced indifference, that's when the power structure collapses. She's left with nothing to feed on but her own thoughts, her own doubts, her own creeping realization that she's lost her hold over you. This is the essence of dark stoicism, not the absence of feeling, but the absolute control of its expression. You feel everything. You simply refuse to perform it for her benefit. Your silence becomes an impenetrable fortress, your indifference an unassailable wall. The beautiful irony? In starving her ego, you nourish your own strength. Where there was once chaotic reaction, there's now disciplined response. You're no longer a puppet dancing to her manipulations. You've become the man who decides which battles are worth fighting. Let this be your new standard. Anyone who wants access to your emotions must first earn the right to your attention. Those who play games find themselves permanently benched. Not with anger, not with declarations, simply with the quiet finality of a man who's moved on to better things. Your peace is the ultimate revenge. Your growth is the ultimate victory. And your silence? That's the ultimate lesson she'll never forget. 6. Your absence speaks louder than your presence. The moment you disappear, not with a dramatic exit, but with quiet finality, is when she truly begins to feel your value. Your absence becomes a void she can't ignore, a silence that echoes louder than any argument ever could. She expected you to linger, to orbit her emotions, to remain an option. But when you remove yourself completely, no explanations, no last words, she's forced to confront the reality. You were never just an option. You were the prize. And now, you're gone. This is the power of withdrawal, not as a tactic to manipulate her, but as a statement of self-respect. You don't announce your departure. You simply leave. No goodbye texts, no social media subtweets, just silence. And in that silence, she hears everything she took for granted. Your absence does the heavy lifting. It makes her question, why isn't he chasing? Did I push him too far? What if he never comes back? These questions haunt her because they force accountability. She can no longer blame you for overreacting or being emotional. There's nothing to argue against, just the empty space where you used to be. This isn't about punishing her. It's about reclaiming your power. The man who walks away without a word isn't weak. He's disciplined. He knows his worth isn't up for debate. And when she realizes she can't provoke a reaction, she's left with one undeniable truth. She lost someone who truly mattered. If you're ready to make your absence speak for you, remember, the strongest men don't explain their worth. They demonstrate it by refusing to stay where they're not valued. Drop a comment below. I don't compete. I elevate.